Okay, now I'm going to explain how to create the guest key, right? So the same thing, you go to the user management, okay? So just click the add button, and the right side, create guest key, continue. And you're going to just key in the name that your tenant or your guest. So the start date will be, just key in the start date you required. Okay, for example, he's coming at 12, right? And the end date will be tomorrow, leaving at 12 as well. Okay, just click continue, and a random 6-digit password we're going to create. So at your tenant side, just ask him to download the apps, KeyWe apps through the App Store, right? He will see this page, sign in stroke guest key, sign in through guest key, enter the 6-digit, agree, enter the 6-digit number, which is 522954. Okay, and he's going to connect the door lock and can use already, meaning this period of use, meaning this period